got away from the kids. I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I know a lot of people do ask how I do my makeup. I use makeup from Walgreens and Walmart, just because I'm a mom of a million children. So that's what I gotta work with. I did get some cool brushes and stuff for Christmas, so I'm excited to use them. Anyways, okay, how do you edit this thing? I'm sure I'm gonna have to do a lot of cutting. But first off, I hope I can have like some nice music in the background. Is anybody even gonna watch this? Anybody there? Oh, by the way, this thing's a mess. I did not clean or prepare. I have to go live on you now in a little bit. But you know how that goes. I was able to get away from the kids, so that's a plus for me. I'm still looking for something. I'm pretending I'm looking for something, but I really don't know what the oh, you can't curse. Damn it, now I have to freaking edit that. That's more work. I don't even know how to edit, period. Anyways, here we go. Primer. That's why these beauty girls do this. See how it focused? That's why they do it. Okay, so this is a primer. I just put it before my makeup. Okay, just put it all over. I don't know why. I just know that everybody does it. And then wipe the excess on your dress, or what, this thing that I have. And then we are going to put some of my Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. What?
Ooh, another one. Oh, I hope I figure out how to edit that.
What is this? Fit something. Just buy it. It's super cheap. Just do it. And then we're going to put it on my face with what, this one? Or with this one? I don't know. I got these as a gift. I like them. They're just from Amazon. Don't buy the new Kylie ones.
Okay, so as I was editing this video, I realized how annoying my voice is. I'm trying to make it a little better by me recording over it, but I don't know if this is actually making a difference. So pretty much what this is, just don't put foundation on a long bristle brush because you're going to scratch the crap out of your face. So you see how this is a what not to do video? Yeah, I don't know why you're still here. Seriously, why are you here? Okay. Moving on.
Just don't do what I just did right now. I think I'm just gonna go by what not to do. What not to do's, okay? I think that you'll learn that way. Can I put some music in the background? Golly. Okay, so just spread it all over, just so you look one color and not pink. Oh, I do have pink. I forgot to do it because I'm talking as I'm trying to do my makeup, which I barely even know how to do my makeup alone, and now I'm talking and doing my makeup, so that's a bit more of a challenge. Anyway, I use like some green things to put here because my nose gets very red. So yeah, use that around your nose, around your red areas. Okay, God, this took forever. See, that's why you don't want something that doesn't really help. And now I'm gonna put this, I got this for free at H-E-B because they made a mistake when they put the pricing, so I took advantage of it. Yes, I'm a thief. So I don't know, I've had it forever. Probably don't keep your makeup that long. I don't suggest it. But I use it as my contour. I put it on this brush that looks like that's where it should go. I don't know. Just put it where you watch videos. They put it all here and work your way up. Because every time I start this, when I'm doing my makeup, I like always question myself, like, what the hell am I doing? I don't know. And then like I'm doing a video or like I'm streaming live and like I have to pretend like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. Damn it. I really don't know what I'm doing. But at the end, it just comes together. I don't know how I do that magically, but you'll see. You'll see how that's gonna work. So this cute little brush that they gave me that you can use on our, what is this? What is this part called of my nose? The little top part of my nose. I don't know, Google it. The beauty gurus call it something. But just here, I'm not no beauty guru. I am guru. Beauty guru. Beauty guru. Just put it there, okay? Just do it. And then, so we have all of this. What I use, I got this from Walgreens, and obviously I need to go get another one because there isn't anywhere. Anyway, there's nothing anywhere. So just try to go to the corners because you don't want to buy another one because you don't have money for that. So just try to use whatever you can out of there, as much as you can, for however long you can. And then put it, oops, don't put, that was too much. I got a little carried away just because I was like explaining to you guys my life, but don't do that. Yeah, I put too much. Anyways, again, this is how we're teaching you. I'm teaching you what not to do, right? That's enough. Okay, good, good, we're getting somewhere. Then you want to, so I like to put like a little bit of color here. So I do this one with a little bit of pink, again, from Circa, Walgreens, $12.99. Walgreens, if you're watching this, I may need a little, you know. So I go like this. No, you're supposed to like smile, and at the fatty part, you do it. This is the only thing I really did spend on because the lady did tell me that it was really good and it lasts forever, and it really does last forever. I had really greasy eyelids because of my oily face. Whatever, okay, I get it. I'm sharing too much. When you watch videos and you see that the girls are doing like this glam eyeshadow and then you try to do it on yourself and it doesn't look the same way, it's probably because you don't have the same eyes that they do. You cannot expect to follow somebody that their eyelids, like they have like these big old eyelids and their freaking eyes don't even crease. Look at mine. Look at what mine do. Ready? See how I can do like this awesome eyeshadow right here, but as soon as I like look normal, my eye is going to go like, this is my face. God gave me this. So it's not gonna look like the other gurus that have, oh, that word is so stupid. Why do I keep using it? That have like their eyelids like this, and then like, you know, off their eye. It's not gonna look like that. So I try to work with what I have, and I know that if I try to do what they're doing, it's not gonna look the same. So just take that tip. It's not gonna look exactly the same. Just try to work with what you've got, with what God gave you. Thank you, God. You know, always be grateful. You're supposed to get like 2 shades darker, and I mean lighter, and you put it on the bottom, and I have some, here we go. I got some stuff now. I don't have to use my freaking fingers. Thank you, Christmas. So you just put it on under, this was my brother actually. Thank you, brother. You put it under, kind of like a V thing, like all the way down here. And this is supposed to just make you look rested. Okay, so, you know, because mother life, mom life, hashtag mom life. You're just gonna put it there. And yes, I do put it after I do my foundation. It was actually supposed to go before the powder. But again, we learn. You put this before the powder, before your overall powder. Moving on. This is what I use, and this is the Fit Me again, because it was on sale. Buy one, get one, 50% off. Yes. Maybelline Fit Me, buy one, get one, 50% off. That's the reason why I bought it. Just use a brush, and you're gonna kind of put like, it's gonna be a little wider than any of your other makeup, but this is supposed to like make you focus in on your eyes. No, I don't know what it's supposed to do. Just do it because everybody else is doing it. I don't know what it does. Just do it. Once you Google later why, or like, I don't know, somebody that knows about makeup, then let me know why I'm doing it. I don't know why I'm doing it. I'm just going to get one of these brushes that I don't know what it's for, but it's clean, so that's the next one I'm gonna use. First, I know what you have to do first for sure. They did tell me that you have to, since I did put the primer, this is one thing that I will probably teach you, and that is probably the only thing that actually makes sense. And I know I'm right because somebody taught me that. You go like this to your eyelid because you just put primer on it. And if you put some eyeshadow over it and start like going like this, you're just gonna get the primer all over that area, and it's just gonna get smudged. So you need to like kind of press down the primer. Make sure that it's primed with this. I'm using this color. I don't know. Oh, it focuses so nice. I love this camera. So just do that. And then I'm going to use maybe like a, whoa. This is not a good, this is another thing not to do. So I tried to use this brush. See how it did that to it? Because this is way too hard for it. So let's not use something that's super hard. This is like a paintbrush. Yeah, we're not gonna use that. So you wanna use something softer. So So I'm just cleaning my other old brush, and this is why I didn't want to use it, because I was being lazy and I didn't want to clean it. So I just kind of like cleaned it a little bit. So we're gonna use this one. You want to dab it, always dab it, and then we're just gonna go around the crease, around the crease. This is a nice color. It is a cookie swap. Cookie swap color. Always dab it because you don't want too much on your eyelid. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this is kind of just like a neutral. We're gonna use Vixen. This looks like a really glittery. Do you see this? Vixen? It looks like really glittery. So just put it there. So you don't have to be a professional at doing makeup, as long as you know some things. I know some things. I just know that this is probably gonna look nice at the end. See, like this, you want to make sure to go over and not just here, since like me, my eyelids go over my eye. I have to kind of bring out the crease. The way I kind of like bring out my eye is dark. I'm just gonna use this because I don't know. This is my daughter's. She got it at like Charlotte Russe or something. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the dark on the outside, and then we're just gonna blend it. It's like the black. I'm just gonna put a little bit, and it looks all dumb, but once you blend it, it'll be fine. See? That I did learn. And this, look at this cream shadow. It's beautiful. It's from Splurge. It is a color Defiant. To give me some more glam. And then we're just going to blend. That's the word they like to use a lot. They do use that. You're just gonna use the same one that you used before, and then just blend it on top. That way it kind of like the glitters just come together. I don't know what it does. Just do it. And then I'm going to, I use this Trooper from, it's a tattoo liner from Kat Von D, my favorite. Yeah, that was a high five. And I don't think I've ever really mastered the way I do my liner. I just do it. See, however this one landed, you're just gonna have to try to do the same with the other side. We're just going to try to do the same thing, replicate it so it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara just so that it can kind of like come together with the eyelash. I used to do it after I put on my eyelashes because to me that's what made more sense, but somebody told me no, do it before. That way you don't mess up your eyelashes every time you put mascara over it. And I was like, okay, that makes more sense. So we're just doing a little bit, just a little bit. This is the, again, Unique, love it. Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. I normally put some eyeshadow in the bottom of my eyes, but since I'm talking, I tend to forget things. Oh, shoot. And I forgot, but we'll do that afterwards. I like to put this on my eyelashes. That way I am putting on mascara, and by that time, this is already dry. And then I can just put it on, but I didn't do that this time because I'm talking. We need to wait till it has to get tacky. Oh, there's glue to this thing. I forgot to take off the glue from last time. I put these on and then I took them off because they're so dramatic. If I'm gonna go out somewhere, I'm gonna wear eyelashes that look like they belong to my eyes. These are very dramatic. They look absolutely fake. But since I'm streaming, I like to kind of do a little bit more because the camera kind of takes away from that. younow.com/mamaliz with 3 M's. Like that. Wow, I'm so professional. I just pointed it and it came up. I pointed and it, we're waiting. I have to talk because I'm waiting for my eyelashes to dry. Meanwhile, we're gonna put a big lip. Now, I just chose it, this one. It's just color Ibiza from NYX. Never go wrong with NYX, just put it on. Just, I don't know, all over. It already screwed it up. I need to look like I know what I'm doing. God, really? You don't know how to handle lipstick? Wow. Get it together. Come on, it can't be that hard. Oh my god, this thing's going. What's going on? Oh my god, my battery! No! Okay, I get it. Okay, of course, that would happen to me and to my video.
Okay, guys, I'm back. So apparently my camera overheated, so I had to stop. I did put on my eyelashes in the process, and as you can see the glue that was left from before I had used my eyelashes the previous time. Always make sure to take the glue off if you're going to reuse your eyelashes. So here I am trying to look at myself. Okay, my look is supposed to come together. I did this video for a purpose. Okay, maybe if I do this pose, it'll help me. No. Okay, let's try different lighting. Trying to see what went wrong here. Okay, so my makeup's not really fully blended. As I looked back at my video, I'm trying to make a cute little face. Nope, not working. Nope. Every time I look down, I can't see the damn glue until now. I tried. I did. Okay, back to me.
I look white. What's wrong with my eyes? Well, this is my I'm going to get ready in 10 minutes tutorial. And I did it in like 20. I do get all the time for me to do one of these videos. I did. Give it a thumbs up if you did learn something. What not to do. I hope I taught you something from here. Maybe you're able to take something with you and teach it to somebody else. Yes, I am doing good for this world. Thank you guys for watching. I will be going live on YouNow, younow.com/MamaLiz. Thank you guys for watching so much. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up.